when it comes to machine safety, do you think about profitability? I'm Clement Pucher, and I've been working for SMC since before the euro existed. So, quite a very long time. What is more important here and now is that I manage the topic of safety at SMC on European level. Superficially, machine safety serves a clearly defined goal, the protection of employees from dangerous situations in all operating modes of a machine. However, machine safety offers significantly more opportunities, not only to ensure safety, but also to increase the overall efficiency of machines, to save valuable resources, and to create tangible added value for both OEMs and end users. You see, truly engineered safety generates market advantages on many different levels. If you want to know more about your opportunities, then read my expert article. Stay safe.